Hello traders, I'm Dennis and welcome to Trading the Trend. And well, what an interesting week. We had our violent protest, we had our Women's March, and when it was all said and done, like 99% of us here, we got up Monday morning, the sun came up, and we went to work. And Wall Street seems to have that same opinion on all this stuff because we actually had a strong up week in stocks. This is the weekly chart, S&P 500. Nice move out of this consolidation we were in for the last month and a half. If you look at the Dow, I've been following this consolidating rectangle, and we actually closed above it for the week. So strong move there, and look at the volume here. I mean, we just got some strong volume coming in. So people are buying into this market. Strongest sector of the market right now is the NASDAQ 100. I mean, look at that big candle, big weekly candle after a couple small ones. I mean, first week of new President Donald Trump's, then the market is saying they like what they're hearing. So, you know, we go with what the market is telling us, not the noise that we see on TV that the news media is trying to promote. On our commodity side, let's look at oil. Not much happening with oil. We're staying above that $51 mark, but we're just kind of in this consolidation sideways pattern. So nothing really to do there right now. I mean, this could go either way. If we look at my energy ETF, it has been in a pullback for a month and a half. So maybe couple dojis in a row. Maybe this thing is finding some support here. We'll keep watching that. Gold had a bit of a down week after a 4-week up move, but it wasn't shared by silver. Silver gave us actually was up a fraction, 2 dojis in a row. My Gold Miners Index, also a doji. I mean, it's just kind of hanging here, so we'll just have to see if this thing is actually going to continue to go up. Maybe it pulls back and establishes a higher low, which might end this downtrend it's in. Moving on to currencies. If we look at our strong week rankings, our commodity currencies, New Zealand and the Aussie, are doing good. Canadian not so good as oil continues to consolidate. Now, even though the US dollar is in last place here, it had a nice turnaround on Thursday. So we'll look at some charts, and we might be on the verge of a surge in the US dollar. The yen, on the other hand, was ranked number 2 during the week, but finished at number 7, so the yen might be weakening again. Moving on to some charts. Here we have the euro, US dollar. I mean, this was looking really strong early in the week, but then we had a reversal on Thursday, and you know, we get a doji, so maybe this 4-week move up is over. Looking at the Aussie US dollar, again, you get a doji there after a 4-week up move. The yen, the US dollar yen, 2 pin bars in a row. So they've been trying to push this thing down, but it just won't go down. So you get 2 pin bars in a row. I'm feeling pretty good about this thing is ready to make a move upward. If I were going to be buying the US dollar right now, the yen would be a good one to trade it against. Some other things to look at, US dollar, Canadian dollar, even though you get a nice red candle here, it's off its low, and with oil not doing much and the dollar looks like it might be coming on, I think we're going to get a leg up here. Looking at the euro pound, you know, we had that reversal last week I pointed out, and we had continuation this past week, so I would continue to look for this to move lower. We need to see it break through this area right here. I would consider that some major support around that 83.50 area. So if we can get through there, then the move down to the to 80 would be a likely happening. Anything else to cover? That's about it. Euro, US dollar, I definitely expect it to move lower. There's talk about it moving to parity, which would be down here at 100. So a lot of the experts are looking for it to move to parity to 100. So you know, pick your spot when you might want to get short on this, and a move down to 100 seems to be likely. And that's what I got for you this week. Hopefully everyone has a great week, and let's see our U.S. economy move forward. Thanks a lot.